What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn and today we're going to be learning about finger picking. So if you would like to learn how to play this finger picking style, then keep on watching. Alright, so if you are a beginner, no worries, we're going to go through this step by step. I'm actually also going to teach you the naming of the strings. So if you have your ukulele right in front of you and you hold it right up like this, the top string, which is the G, we're going to name this the fourth string. And then the C string, which is the second one down, we're going to name the third string. Then the E string, which is the third one down, we're going to name that the second string. And then finally the A string, which is the last one, we're going to name that the first string. So it's going to be 4, 3, 2, 1. I'll actually leave a diagram right up here so you can see it visually as well, what I'm talking about, and then also help you with doing the finger picking style. Now, one of the reasons I'm making this video is because one of my followers on Instagram asked me, hey Ricky, how do you play that finger picking style? I don't know, I can't get a hang of it. When you play, you're either playing it really fast or, they just want more of an explanation of how I did it. And this is the finger picking style that she was talking about. I personally feel like this finger picking style gives every song that you play sort of more of a majestical like oomph, that little extra something that you need just to kind of change it up, which I like to do when I play my covers. I don't like to just straight up strum, which is also great, but I like to kind of change it up and spice it up a little bit, So the finger picking style that we're going to be learning is the 4-2-3-1, and obviously, if you might have already guessed, it's going to be the fourth string, which is the G string, and then the 2, the second string, and then the third string, 3, and then the first string. So when you do it a little bit quicker, 4, 2, 3, 1. 4, 2, 3, 1. So how I like to initially play is I like to put my thumb on the fourth string and my pointer finger on the second string. So my thumb is going to be playing the first 2 strings, these, and my pointer finger is going to be playing the bottom strings, the 2 and the 1. So it's going to be alternating. So it's going to be 4, 2, 3, 1. 4, 2, 3, 1. 4, 2, 3, 1. 4, 2, 3, 1. I'll zoom it in a little bit closer. 4, 2, 3, 1. 4, 2, 3, 1. 4, 2, 3, 1. 4, 2, 3, 1. 4, 2, 3, 1. 4, 2, 3, 1. So again, I like to keep my thumb on the fourth string, my pointer finger on the second string, and my thumb is only going to play these 2 chords, the fourth string and the third string, and my pointer finger is going to be playing the second and first string. Again, we're going to be alternating to the 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1. So let's practice this one more time. Again, I'll be zoomed in on my ukulele and I'll make sure to count slow so you can get the hang of it. And then once you start practicing more and more, your fingers will start memorizing the positioning of where you need to be. And then you can play faster and faster and faster until your little heart desires, and then you'll be Speedy Gonzales. So make sure you have your C chord down, which is the first string, 3rd fret. Put your fingers on the thumb on the 4th string and your pointer finger on the 2nd string, and let's do this finger picking style. In 3, 2, 1. 4, 2, 3, 1. 4, 2, 3, 1. 4, 2, 3, 1. 4, 2, 3, 1. So when you start practicing more and more, it will get a lot easier doing this finger picking style. And you can speed it up. And then you can also, if you start feeling more comfortable, you can do chord changes. So we'll go from the C to G to A minor to F. And then you can go back to C if you want. So that is how you play the 4-2-3-1 finger picking style that I absolutely love. I really, again, I think it adds a little bit of spice, a little flavor to every song that you cover. You can actually slow it down and makes any song sound really emotional and just hit the feels, you know what I mean? So yeah, that is how you play the 4-2-3-1 finger picking style. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Also, if you're new here and you haven't already, hit that subscribe button right below. It looks a little bit like this. It will turn gray once you hit it. And if you want to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube, make sure to hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe icon, and you'll be notified every single time, again, I upload a video. Wow. Also, leave me a comment below letting me know if you want any other finger picking styles or song tutorials or covers or whatever you want to see on this channel. Let me know in the comments below. Again, thank you so much for hanging out with me for these few minutes, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.